Hi, my name is Arpit Mantri and I'm going to present my personal event planner app which I've made for SIT708. In this, first I will give a short explanation of the code and the structure, and then I'll move to demonstrate the app. In this app I've used Kotlin and I've made it on Android Studio, and I've followed a structured architecture using the fragments and view model. So I have three main screens, which are event screen and add event screen, event list screen, and edit event screen. So the name are self-explanatory. One is for adding event, another one is for listing the event, another one is for editing the event. I've used recycler view to display the list of the events, and for data storage I've used room database, and it includes entities and DAO and database classes. And the view model, I've used it to handle between the data between the UI and the database, and the navigation component is used to move between the screens. And I've also included input validation and user feedback using toast messages. And as it was said that we can either use a mobile device or a emulator, I've used my mobile device. And let me show through screen mirroring. Let me show through screen mirroring what my app does. This is the event screen, this is the add event screen. So here, if I'm giving a title, graduation, category academic, location Geelong. Before that, let me show one thing. If I am not giving a title or anything, if I'm not giving a title, it will, and I'm trying to save, it will say title cannot be empty. Once I've given the title, graduation, if I try to still save the event, it says select a date. I have selected, and in the date also it can't backdate. So you can see the dates before today are in black. Those are locked. I can select them and I can't go to previous month. I can only go to the next months. So yeah, I've selected 11th, which is today, and I'm selecting a time. So if I click on save event, it says event saved successfully. When I go to events, I can see graduation over here, and it's 11/4 2026, 12:31 p.m. And if I click on it, and I'm adding a category to it now, academic, and I'm adding a location as well, Geelong, and I'm updating the date to let's say I'm updating it to 1st September 2026, and I'm updating the time to 1 p.m. and I'm saying update event. Now if I go back, you can see it is now it earlier it did not have the academic and Geelong written here. Now it has academic and Geelong written, and the date is changed to 1st of September. Now if I long press this, it will the event is deleted. I don't know why this is showing. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, let me show that again. Yeah, in the events, if I go and if I long press it, it will delete and it will say event deleted. So this is how it works. And whatever event I'm storing, for example, again, graduation, category academic, location Geelong, select date, select time, save event. And then if I'm having another shopping, groceries, now if I'm just writing GRO and doing personal, location Chadston, and date I'm selecting 22nd April, select time 2 p.m. 2 a.m. sorry. Yeah, save event. If I go to events, I can see both graduation and shopping groceries. If I click on shopping, and if I edit, update event, event updated. Now if I'm going back, the name has changed. If I hold and click, it will delete. If I hold and click, it will delete. So this is my app. Thank you.